Yeah, anyway, another taking apart thing. This is like a mop cleaner for floors. There's no this rectangle type shape thing on there where you can, not for concrete, it's like that it's just a floor cleaner. So just looking around it, still some bit of water coming out on it. So it's, that should be on it. So also Hobbs, yeah, so it's just a floor cleaner thing. So I'm going to see what's inside one of these. If I can, because I'm just looking inside that one's a different shape. Positive. That looks like it's one of these sort of screws. Well, if I take most of that off, I can just like, break it. Yeah, because I think I have got one of these sort of screws. Yeah. I think I've got two of them. I can take that off. But I'm not going to bother. So I just took 4 out. So I just have to take that one off the corner. One it's squeezing up, it's been a bit funny, so oh, I forgot to hit the record button. That went there, like that, then that was just at the top there, and then that, or the top of that, like so. So that bit of plastic or the top of that, so a bit of chunk of aluminium. Then I'm going to take those screws off, because there's always got to be something inside that solder. So there's a little bit of motor there, and then all this cable. But that's not hardly see what's in these about. That's what it is. So yeah, and I'm going to have to take that one screw off there, smash that bit of plastic off, and then take that bit of plastic off the end of that. And then I got my 1 kilo of cable, and that's it, guys. Sorry, I'm not saying it all on it, but yeah. So like all kilo of copper, half a kilo of motor, kilo of alley, and 2 kilo of plastic.